Hello everyone, my name is Sujata. Welcome to my tutorial. Today I am going to introduce an important app, Quizlet app, which is more useful for students and teachers. Through Quizlet app, we can assess the students through test, learn, flashcards, spell check and matching. Is Quizlet app free? Yes, it is free. We can create our own flashcards or choose from million created by other students. More than 50 million students study for free with the Quizlet app each month. Upgrade to Quizlet Plus to study with no ads, offline access and even more premium features like image uploading and scanning to create sets. So how Quizlet app works? See, Quizlet is one of the largest online flashcard sites with the website and mobile apps for iOS and Android. Quizlet also makes studying accessible to students no matter where they are. Quizlet is a fantastic study tool for any classroom to prepare for a test and help them learn. So their app sync with their website, letting you study flashcards from your phone. Quizlet flashcards app is a quick and easy study tool that will help you prepare for that next big test. So examination or a presentation. Let us see how to log in to open the Quizlet app. So first open the Play Store and enter the Quizlet and download it. So open. So already I have downloaded. So now open it. So to open, first we need to sign in. So this is sign up is free. So I already have account in Google, so I am signing with Google. It is opening, so I am signing with one of my account. Sign in everyone. Then it is open like this. So first we should go to home page. So it is showing like this. If we already set some test, then it will shows like this. Then we should see the sets already if we have uploaded. So it is showing like this. So I have uploaded some English sets. So it is showing our sets. So this is created option. All means we can see all our uploaded sets. This is created. So what we have created in the earlier. So then we can see here. Studied means what we have studied already uploaded sets. So purchased means this is no need. So first see here, to create a new set, click on plus button. Then select a subject. So I am doing a set with the English subject. So I am typing English. Next write a description. So we have to write a description. So it is a vocabulary. So I am typing vocabulary. Then we have to write some meanings. The tattered meaning I am writing. Tattered meaning. Tattered meaning. Torn. I am writing the meaning. Then we are writing another meaning. Reluctantly. It is showing reluctantly. Reluctantly meaning it is showing, means it is showing also it is a adverb or adjective or whatever. So it is adverb. So in this meaning we can take any meaning. Reluctantly means unwillingly. We can choose this also. Next, irritation. Irritation. I am typing. Irritation, automatically it will shows irritate. Irritation or irritate. Irritate I am typing here. irritation, annoyance. So I'm taking the suitable meaning. Annoyance. Ontos. I'm taking one of the meaning. Ontos. Ontos. So here I don't think that is suitable meaning. So I'm typing some other suitable meaning. Busy. Or ready to work. Are ready to work. Hop. Hop meaning jump. So we can write meanings. Jump. Hop. Jump. To jump I'm taking. Next click on plus button if you want another meanings. So I'm stopping here. So I'm ticking on correct symbol. So it is telling okay. Then we need to select the language. I am selecting English language. Definition, select language, English language. So it is auto suggest. So visible to everyone. So I'm selecting this, visible to everyone. Okay. Next, editable, just me only. Next I'm clicking on correct button. So it is saved, auto saved. So if we have Google Classroom, we can add to Google Class. Otherwise we can share this pen. We can share this set through WhatsApp. So first we need to copy this link. So I'm copied, copy set. Then I'm sharing through WhatsApp. So I shared this. So see here I have shared through WhatsApp. So again if you send it to the students, they can click on this link and they can play the games. See here how it works. Play this game and they will enjoy. Tatter meaning it is asking. Turn. Reluctantly, unwillingly. Irritation, annoyance. So this is a flashcard we played just now. Next, learn. Start learn.
Busy, ready to work.
We can use the visible also. We can hear it. It is visible. Reluctantly. So
Busy, ready to work.
Pattern, irritation, annoyance,
Annoyance.
irritation. Next one,
Torn.
torn, pattern. Next
Unwillingly.
one, reluctantly,
Busy, ready to work.
on toes, to
To
jump,
jump.
hop. Okay, this is over. So if you want to play, then we can click on continue. Otherwise we move to continue. So type the answer unwillingly. This is a test. So reluctantly I'm typing. To jump. So this is test. We are typing the correct answer. So it is showing correct symbol. Next, torn, meaning tatter. It is showing correct symbol. Next, busy, ready to work. On toes, correct symbol. Annoyance, irritation. So like this we can write test. Finish learning, then we can go to another learning. We finished flashcard, learn, write. Now spell, go to spell.
Relax.
So it is spelling, then we are writing the meaning, correct meaning. Means through this we can learn the spellings also.
Reluctantly. Hop.
Hop,
On toes.
on toes.
Tattered. Irritation.
So this round is finished, then we can go to next level.
Hop.
So if we want to play, then we can click on again. So this we finished flashcard, learn, write, spell, test, and now go to matching. So start the game. So we need to play fastly. It counts the second to win the game. So students can play this game with enthusiastically. So now it is over. It is showing seconds. So it can shows the leaderboard also who won this match. So this is so it is showing like this. So whoever won the game. So this is about Quizlet. This is about the Quizlet app. So I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching my channel. In the maron.